Bellevue R&D facility. Let's go inside. Excellence in programming. Where is everybody? Uh-oh. She doesn't want to be on video.
Oh.
Come on, cover your eyes.
Okay.
Don't anybody look. That's Kathy Saunders, but she doesn't want to be seen. Here's the reception area. Here's where Joanne greets everybody in the morning with a friendly smile.
Morning, Dave.
Morning, Joanne. It's good to see you. You're looking good this morning.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Bye. Jerk.
This is the hub of the integration group. Dave Spangler and Lindsay, right? They're hard at work. These guys are the toughest working people here. Very well organized.
Hi, Dave.
Good design. They solve all the problems of the company right here. Look at that stack of SQL Server books. They're hard at work programming. Look at that. Look at that code.
That's organization. This is total disorganization.
Yeah, that's right. It may look disorganized, but let me tell you, there's a lot of stuff in those heads right there. Look at this. See, even the whiteboard. Look at the detail, the design detail, the complex integration work that's going on here. Interface server, demographics, profiles. There's months and months of hard work all summarized right here on this whiteboard. Down this direction is Pauline, the office manager. She's, hi Pauline.
Hi, Dave.
She's very well organized, keeps the office humming like a tight ship.
That's right.
She knows exactly what's going on everywhere, knows everybody's faults and
I thought you were going to say schedules.
schedules. And she maintains the FDA product history files. This file cabinet has to be kept under lock and key according to FDA regulations. Everything in there has to be maintained in an orderly fashion, and there's strict FDA regulations on how to file things so that you can find them at a moment's notice. So if an FDA regulator came in and wanted to look at something, Pauline would know immediately where to go, and all the information that is required by the FDA is stored in that file. So let's put her to the test. Pauline, could you get the pediatric echo product history file for me, please?
Well, no problem. That should be right here in the second drawer down. Let's see if I'm correct. You can notice how organized and neatly they're all filed here. And here's the pediatric echo module right here. And if you notice, as we open it up, there's everything in there that has to be signed off and kept very strictly according to the
FDA requires that, huh?
Yes, FDA requires all that. You know, it's very important.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got everything exactly where it should be.
Great. Well, thanks a lot, Pauline.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Down at this end of the office, there's my office and the bookshelf and our combination communications closet, and where we keep our web server, and it also doubles as our what we call Chez Joanne's. It's our little snack room where people buy little snacks and pay on the honor system. And here's Dave Murillo right now getting a little snack to eat, and pays in the honor system right there, and he gets his chips, and he's off back to work, refreshed and feeling good. Okay, here's John Elschultz's office, the Vice President of Engineering. He's got some motivational poster out here, and his door's closed, so he's probably having a very important meeting. I think he's meeting with Josh and Randy and Sam about Chameleon. Maybe we can just be quiet and interrupt him here.
Alright,
go now. Come on, Danny. Come on. First shoot it. Come on, let's go. Come on, the hard way.
Oh,
Well, hide it. Please. Hi.
When you first come into the office, there's a whiteboard that tells whether everybody's in or out and when they'll return. It's a very nice mechanism for knowing where everyone is. As you can see, it's lunchtime. Most everybody's here. Look at that. Jeff Robertson says he's out. I know he's in. I just saw him. Let's go see in his office, see if the system really does work. For sure. I'm sure he's not out. Yeah, I guess he is out. Okay, down at this end of the office is Mike's office. He looks like he's open. It's also the Bear Mask Lounge. People gather here sometimes for lounging and just socializing, but I know Mike's been working very hard for the last couple months on the risk assessor, so I hate to interrupt him, but I think we could probably do it even though he's working very hard. We'll see if I can just disturb him for a second. Okay. Down here is Bob's office. He's always hard at work on Apollo 2.0, very diligent. Actually, he's been working for months on Apollo 2.0. He's in charge of our Easter egg. You all know that's a message that comes up and gives credits for the people that wrote the program, and it's always kind of a fun thing because you hide it somewhere like an Easter egg, and people always try to hunt around to find it. So we're going to let you in on the secret of the new Apollo 2.0 Easter egg, show you how to get to it. Is it all done, Bob?
yeah, it's done. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, just when you bring up here at the login, you just type Easter egg.
Wait, let me see here. Easter egg, does it all have to be
User-
lowercase letters, or does it matter?
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay, and then what?
And then you hit Alt Control A. And
Huh.
there you go.
It seems like there's still a few bugs in it.
No, it's past product test.
Okay, down here is the integration group. They're working in the very back of the office. It's secluded. Here's Will's office. Will is in the very, very back. He's got an office without any windows, and he likes it because he works hard and he doesn't like any interruptions. He likes his privacy. I'll see if I can just sneak in here and get a peek, say hello to him. But he does like his privacy.
Excuse me?
Yeah, he looks busy. I'll come back. Okay, here's Chris's office. He's kind of right off the main drag, and he's not here. As you can see, he's got a lot of computers here. He's got the SQL server and our transaction server, and he's got 2 computers, and he's kind of our computer guru. He's in charge of, as you can see, this computer over here. He's in charge of all the hardware, keeping everything running here, the network, and maybe that's where he is, down here working on the file server. Occasionally he's debugging problems and just setting things up and making sure everything runs. And there's the server. Yeah, there he is. There's Chris working on the server. How you doing?
Oh, good. Doing good.
What are you doing?
Just setting a few file permissions down in Oakland, now that I'm able to do it remotely.
Huh.
Just a second. Oops. Hey, if anybody calls for me from Oakland, I'm not here. I have to go do something else now.
Okay. Will you be back?
Yeah, probably tomorrow.
Uh-oh. Let's go down here and see if we can find Gary Lund. He's in the integration group, works for Sam. He's down here. You can see he's right off the main hallway. He kind of works with Gary, works with Will. Although Will's way back in the back. Remember he wanted all that privacy. Gary's out here in the middle because he's a sociable guy and he doesn't need as much privacy. He's got windows and everything. Let's just see if he's in here. Wonder if Gary's here.
Sure. Mmm, so good.
Yeah.
Hi, Dave.
Hi guys. Looks like the integration group is busy today. Maybe I'll just come back another time. Now in the afternoons, Pauline takes over, sometimes answering the phone.
I'm
if
here again. I do everything.
she does everything. She's the jackass of all trades.
Hey, how about that? I'll get you back for that one.
No, that's like the jack of all trades, the jackass of
Oh,
all trades.
yeah.
So anyway, Kang's down here, this end of the office. Kang is really the jack of all trades. He does tech support and he helps out on database issues, does new queries. He's working on Apollo 2.0 now, making sure that all the fields are mapping correctly and they're all SQL compliant. And right now he's working on the Parsenet algorithm. He gets phone calls all day, helping out sites, and he solves problems faster than you can blink your eyes. He's truly a marvel, and but he's sometimes busy, but he always finds time to help you out, and he'll drop everything.
Yes?
Velma's on line 1.
Thanks.
See, he is busy. He gets a call, but he's always got time for.
Okay.
Yes?
John Norris is on line 2.
Thank you.
See, he never says I'll get back to you because he knows he can take. Even though he's got 2 calls, he can.
Okay.
Yes?
Judy Henderson's on line 3.
Thanks.
See, he can handle them all, and he'll probably get them all done even before.
Okay.
Yes?
Karen Smith's on line 4.
Thanks.
Well, he seems to be a little busy. Maybe we'll come back and talk to him later. Down at this end of the hall is the module group. 2 very productive module people are Katrina and Kathy. They're both very shy, nocturnal creatures. But here's Katrina's desk. And there's Katrina when she was 7. Very cute looking 7-year-old, but you wouldn't know it by looking at that picture that she could have grown up to be as ornery a cuss as she is now. But she's a lot of fun to joke around with. She's got a quick wit. Over here is Kathy's domain, and this is the Barbie altar. People come in from all over the world to pay homage to Barbie. And they leave coins and mints and trinkets and Reese's Pieces and Godiva chocolates and light votive candles to pay their respects to the almighty Barbie. And this is where Kathy does her magic, and this is where Katrina does her magic. And that's where Katrina, they also do magic over here. And they have a very nice view, as you can see. As a matter of fact, my house is right over there. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, it's right at the foot of that mountain. Hi, honey. This is the module group whiteboard. Let's take a look at some of their mottos here. Very inspiring. my hat's off to the module group. Here we are back at the main desk again. It's Lindsay and Joanne hard at work late in the afternoon, and they've still got chipper grins on their faces. Except for Joanne.
Smile, Joanne.
Joanne. She's not a touchy-feely kind of person. But anyway, let's see. Greg Deputy, he's the other member of the Viper group. Authorized Seattle Systems personnel only beyond this point. He does a lot of top secret development in here. He's been working on the merge utility recently, and I think he's probably working on that right now. We're trying to let's look in here and see how he's doing. There's Greg Deputy now. Looks hard at work. Sometimes in his spare time he does a little Viper stuff, and he does internet stuff, and he's working on the merge utility. Sometimes he likes to play around building his own fireworks too. Looks like he's working on the merge utility, I think. Never seen software packaged quite this way. Meticulous attention to detail, as you can see. Yeah. I think it's ready to go to test.
You have a test submittal form, Dave?
Mm-hmm. There it is. Test and release. Look at that, all lowercase letters. Pretty high tech.
And I'm going to do this side here.
There we are. Let's go in. Ah, nice roses.
No cameras. Excuse me. No cameras. No press. Back off.
It's Mike Wallace here, 60 Minutes.
Back off. No comment. No comment.
Hey,
Hey, what? Hey, go ahead.
lawsuit!
Right.
Well, we got a nice warm welcome.
Correct.
There's Jackie.
Thank you. How long do you think? Okay.
There's Robert at attention.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
Dismissed. This is sales training. It's Gail. We'll stay outside so we won't interrupt him. Look pretty relaxed.
I just want to make sure.
Should I just, what do I do? Leave it
Melody,
alone?
there should be a little spoon thing to,
No laughing.
Uh-oh.
there should be something to put the fire out.
No laughing.
Oh, you moved that thing, the hoochman digger over. I'll show you. It's what you gotta do.
You have to cover it with that thing.
Now you just slide the thing over to smother the fire.
Yeah.